Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video about the new BHCosmetics travel series. This came to my door this morning and I was not sure whether to film or not today, but I thought I might as well. I don't have much time, so I've got to be quite quick. There are 3 palettes, 2 eyeshadow palettes and 1 face palette. So the face palette is the Glowing in Grease palette. It has 3 blushes and 3 highlighters. And then we have the Beautiful in Barcelona palette. I'm not going to open this one because I am going to put this in a giveaway. I'm actually going to do a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned till the end to find out how to win this palette and some other goodies. And then the last palette, which is the most exciting one because of how pretty it is the Summer in Tropez palette. Some really nice bright shades. So these launch on the 10th of July. I'm going to find out the prices if I can. Going by the palettes that are very similar to this, they have Love in London and Hanging in Hawaii. I think they are going to be $16, so you get 16 shades, so that's $1 per shade. I'm just priming my eyelids with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. So I think I'm firstly going to go in with the shade Bay, which is this dark blue shade. And I'm going to pack this on my outer corner. Oh, that's very pigmented. Now I'm going to take the shade Pampelon. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Pampelon. But it's this light blue shade. I'm going to pack that just a little bit on and a little bit above that first shade. And then going back in with the first brush with no extra product, just taking that and just trying to blend in those edges. I might take a little bit more of the dark blue just to help. These are blending really nicely. And now I'm taking no extra product and just blending out. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and just trying to blend out those edges. I might add a little bit of product in a minute, but for now I'm just gonna blend out those edges. I'm gonna go in with, I think Cabana, like a bluey cool toned purple, and then go in with some of Nightlife as well. Let's just see how this goes. And I'm just packing that next to the blue shades, kind of like in my crease. And then I'm gonna take some of Nightlife and kind of pack it on top. Yeah. I like that better actually. Now I think I'm going to take some of the shade Jet Set, which is kind of like an orangey red shade, and I'm going to pack that kind of on the inner corner part of my crease. This is a bit of a weird look, not gonna lie. Okay, so I just got my crease quickly off camera and I'm like this because I don't want to mess it up, which I keep doing, and I've done it again. So annoying. Anyway, right, I'm gonna pack on some shadow. I think I want to use like orange and this yellow, but I also think I might use some of this pink right here. So I'm going to go with the pink first. It's a little bit shimmery. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. It's called Sizzle. And I'm going to put that like on the outer part of the cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Crepe, which is a light orange shade. And I'm going to pack that next to the pink. And now I'm going to take the shade Intoxicating, which is a really pale yellow, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of the half cut crease. So I really like that yellow shade. It's actually really pigmented, although it is a bit drying and it's left my lids like a bit crease and stuff, so yeah, but it's alright. That happens and it usually goes away after a while. Just taking a bit of that blue to blend in the outer corner shade. And now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Glam Rock, and I'm going to put a line just where I've cut the crease and put those shades on, so it's like nice and clean and it adds a bit of a spark. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's not going to be. I want to put one of these shades on my inner corner. They're one of the shimmer shades, but I don't really know which one. I might put the Exotic shade on my inner corner, kind of like a goldy greeny shade. I think that will look alright. Okay, so I'm now going to go do my base off camera and then come back and do my lower lash line. And I don't know if I'm going to use this Glowing in Grease palette. Let me have a look. Okay, so I've done most of my base and now I'm going to use the Glowing in Grease palette. I'm going to use the blush called Mykonos because it's the most like neutral shade, but I like the look of all of these blushes. And I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheek. definitely put too much on there. Wow, okay, that's pigmented. You really don't need much at all. But that's a really nice blush. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to use the shade Athens, which is the lightest shade. Ooh, that's pretty. It is a little bit dark. Don't think it's gonna be a problem, but oh, that's so nice. I thought it was gonna be really pinky, but it's actually not too bad. That palette is nice. I think the highlight is really pretty and the blush shades are pretty. Now onto my lower lash line. I think I'm gonna take the same shades I used on my outer corner and in my crease. So I'm gonna take the dark blue and I'm gonna run that really close to my lash line on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take the lighter blue and just run that underneath. And now I'm gonna take the purple, which is Nightlife, and I'm going to put that on the middle part of my lower lash line. And then lastly, I'm going to put the shade Jet Set on my inner part. Right, okay, so I've got that so far. I think that's how I'm going to leave it. I am going to do my lashes and my lips off camera and then come back and tell you what I think and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the finished look. I tried to add some clips in, but I don't have time to put them in this side. I've got to go in like 10 minutes, not even that. These lashes I feel like aren't big enough for this look and everything is not very good, but I had to rush, so yeah. I do like the palette. I feel like it was easy to blend. I feel like they're quite dull. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if you get what I mean. They're like pretty, and they're bright colours, but more to the dull side. I mentioned that before, but I hate it when there's a little bit of shimmer in a matte eyeshadow. It just ruins it for me. It doesn't work. So some of the shades have a little bit of that in, but they are nice shades. Glowing in Grease, that's really nice too. I think this is really pretty. I also love the packaging. The highlighter is beautiful and the blush is beautiful, and I'm excited to use the other blushes. Don't think I'll get use out of the other highlighters, but yeah, I really like that too. Yeah, I do suggest buying this palette. I think it's really, really pretty and something a little bit different. Like it's a really bright palette, but it doesn't really have the neutral shades in it. And I just think it's really pretty. I really like how this look turned out because of how like summery it is and stuff like that. So if you want to win this beautiful in Barcelona palette and some other goodies, which would be quite a few goodies, I will make the whole package up. Comment down below your favorite video of mine. Also leave your Instagram handle so I can contact you, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is Alice King Makeup, and also you're subscribed to my channel. And also last thing, make sure you've liked this video and then you're entered. So yeah, the giveaway will end in a couple of weeks. I'll leave all the information in the description so you can check it there. I want to do more giveaways in my videos, so I'll try and do them in some more videos in the future. I just need to organise it, and yeah. So yeah, thank you so much to BHCosmetics for sending me this package. It really, really means a lot. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!